Colby Act is very new, which means a lot of people have not executed a supportive decision-making agreement. So we know that, with a lot of bills, things change, circumstances change. So there may be in the future some amendments to the bill because we're seeing how once those supportive decision makings are practical or put into application, that there are some things that may need to be tidied up or some things that need to be made clearer. So we are definitely always looking and hearing what needs to be changed or what needs to be fixed, and making sure that we're talking to those who are implementing these documents and making sure that they understand the requirements and the things that are needed in executing these documents. So there are some other bills that are coming up that are complementary to this Colby Act. A lot of organizations, like I talked about with the Center for Alabama Guardianships and Conservatorships, there are also Supreme Court commissions that are looking into this issue to make sure that we are focusing on personal autonomy and personal choice. There are a lot of organizations that are looking to help with lobbying and also reforming our guardianships and conservatorship practices. A lot of local attorneys or people that are working in these areas are really looking to see how they can make sure that they are protecting the personal autonomy of those individuals who are a part of guardianships and conservatorships, or ways that, like we said before, ways that we can prevent guardianships and conservatorships from being the only option. That's what the great thing about SDM is it allows for people to have more than one option. And the option is something that allows people to still have choice versus a conservatorship or guardianship where those choices are being stripped away. They can talk about it more. They can ask questions about it. If they think that maybe a person would benefit from an SDM, they should definitely reach out to ADAP or other organizations like AARP who can refer them to someone who is well versed in SDMs. They can also make sure that they support those organizations that are doing this work, that are lobbying or that are providing input on these certain issues or working on bills or working on reform. They can definitely support those organizations. But the main thing that we want is for people to get the word out that this is also an option. Even if you don't understand what SDM is, or maybe you still have questions about it, please, visit ADAP's website to find out more information. You can also visit the Center for Alabama Guardianships website to find out more information about the SDM. And you can also do a quick Google search and even just read the bill so that you can understand, what it means and what it's meant to do.